guys? This is Trainman 1993 here, and today I want to show you a surprise that I got here today. Tonight, I would say. On the count of three, I will show it to you. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I got a Scale Trains locomotive for my collection. My very first one, actually. It's a Scale Trains EMD gp40 rivet counter in HO scale in the Western Pacific scheme. Here's all the details right here. You can pause that if you want to read it. Might get it a little closer. So yeah, let's get an unboxing, shall we? If I can get this open here. There we go. Comes with a product manual here. Shows the something about how to operate your locomotive and all that kind of stuff. Not gonna go through the full detail right here. Just want to show you that quickly. And here is the locomotive itself. Let's get this out of the packaging. Wow. Oh man. Whoops. Oh wow. Look at this. Take these little things off here. Check this baby out right here. Very nice detail right here. Got your Nathan M5 horn right there. Got your this is a gyro light, or I can't pronounce it, gyro light or Mars light. Here's the coupler and the MU hoses. Wow. Looks pretty cool here. Here are the number boards. And here's the top right here. So yeah, let's get this on the track here, shall we? Now I got the locomotive set here on the track here. Let's give it some power. See how this runs. Wow. It's very quiet than my Atherin locomotive I just reviewed here. Runs very smooth here. Here's backwards. Even the headlights work on this. Oh, even the front lights work on this when it goes backwards. Really cool feature on this. So, just want to show you guys my scale trains, Western Pacific, rivet counter, EMD gp40 here. Hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Hope you guys take care and have a nice one.